Hello and welcome. So we already learned what is compliance management and what are the different tools that we can use in order to work with compliance, in order to make sure that we are following the standards and our organization is following all the rules, standards, and they are on compliance. As we discussed in compliance management, that if an organization is not following the compliance, what can happen is that they have to pay fine, or there is a penalty on that, as well as jails too. So Exchange Server again comes with different compliance tools, and in this lab we are going to learn how can we work with one of the greatest tools, compliance tools that we have, and that is called In Place, eDiscovery, and Hold. So let me give you a scenario, or let me give you an example. What happened like a month ago, I just got a call from one of our users. They were just telling me that, hey Parviz, you know what, this morning when I came in, all my Outlook emails are deleted and I cannot find it. So I just told him, okay, sure, I'm just gonna come in and I'm gonna take a look where your emails are. Then what I did is, like, as an example, I just went to his inbox. So what you can do in inbox is, for example, if I select these and I just press delete, when you just simply press delete, all your emails just go to deleted items, and you can just simply right click and move it to uh, move it to inbox, or you can recover them. Like, you can just click here and say recover deleted item from server. This is one of the other greatest options that we have. So if I click in here, it is going to show me all deleted items that I have, and it is going to recover it from server. But my concept, or my idea in here, is like, when you delete something, it goes to deleted item. But what if a user deletes the email? Let me just move it back to inbox so that I can show it to you. So for example, what that user did was, actually, he accidentally pressed shift delete and then enter. So you see, when you click, you press shift and then you shift and delete, it tells you that this will permanently delete. Do you want to continue? Yes. So now when I come to deleted items, you can see there is nothing in here. So now the magic of eDiscovery option comes in, that is one of the compliance tooling Exchange Server. So what I did for that user is, I told him, okay, no problem. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just recover the emails for you, and that is going to be done through our Exchange Server, our not through your Outlook. He said, oh, all right, as long as I can get my emails. So what I did by that time, so if I go back in here, and this is for Jeff Green. So, for example, I want to recover the emails. I'll just go to the Exchange server. If you go to the Exchange server now, you have got, you click on Compliance Management, In Place, Discovery, and Hold. What it does is that it holds the emails, and most of the time when you delete emails from Outlook, you can recover them from eDiscovery options, which is one of the compliance tools. So we permanently deleted emails from this Outlook. Now what we want to do is, we want to recover it for this user, and then just provide a PST file to that user so that he can just open his emails again. So in order to recover an email, in order to just recover permanently deleted emails, you can simply click on add, or plus sign, and then name it recover uh, Jeff's emails. Now press next. Okay, what do you want to do? It's gonna ask you, okay, what mailboxes do you want to recover? Do you want to recover all mailboxes? Do you want to recover, don't want to recover any mailboxes? Search for a specific mailbox. Here, what are we going to do is, we're going to select Jeff's account, because Jeff is the one who needs to be recovered. So press next. Include all contents. If you want to include all contents, you want to include everything in here, or the user tells you that you know what, I do not need any other emails because all emails are there. And there is an email that is from Parviz and is sent to Jeff. So and that email was sent on this date, and this date is the end date. So what are you doing is you're just filtering based on your criteria, and you're just adding more specific details in order to recover just one email, for example. But what are we trying to do in here is we want to just recover everything. So you want to do what you want to hold this uh, you want to hold the once it searches the emails. Do you want to hold it in your exchange, or you want to specify a number of days in here in order to just tell specify number of days hold item relative to their receive date? Do you want to hold it for ever, or you just want to hold it for a specific amount of time? So we are just gonna say hold indefinitely. It's gonna hold it and then press finish. Once you press finish, it's gonna start looking for the emails and everything. Once it was able to find it, it's gonna just look at in the server, like it's gonna look on the mailbox database and everything. And then once the emails are there and the eDiscovery finds it, it's gonna just show you like this. For example, this is the other one of the other discovery that I did, and you see Parviz is showing in here estimated is succeed. It's and that's the size that I did for Parviz. And if you ask here why it's not showing in here, it's because the exchange server, which is at Sacramento, took time to connect to the exchange server at New York, and finally it was able to connect. And you can see that 127 KB or something, and there are like 19 items. But if you come here to Jeff's email, do you see anything in here? No, you do not see. You only see on send item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see anything on deleted items? No. So 5, but you see here at 19 items, meaning 19 mails are going to be recovered. So if you want to recover it now, what you can do is you can just click on export to PST. It's going to download a PST file, copy that, give it to the user. User will be double clicking on that on their machine, and then it's gonna load all emails into the Outlook. That's so simple thing that you can do. So this is how eDiscovery option works, and you can hold them as long as you want. Like you can just hold them forever. You can hold them for a specific amount of days, and after that it's gonna be deleted. So I hope it was informative for you and you have learned something. So this is the magic of eDiscovery compliance tool.